going to do a quick walk around on this 1930 custom cab Ford pickup. This is an extended cab. If you notice the window behind the door window, it extends the cab about 10 inches actually. This one is a beauty. It's a custom. If you're over 6 foot tall, don't worry about it. We've had people in it for 6'4". Lots of leg room. You could drive it, steer it, not have any leg problems. That's always been the issue with Model A Fords pickups. So anyway, this one has got a 350 transmission and an 8.8 rear end. I've got all the details online if you want, but this one's a sweet little number here. I'm going to do a quick startup on this one just to let you see, or hear it, I should say. Hear what it sounds like real quick, and we'll take a look at the gauges. How's that? Let me get inside here and get my hand over here where I can see the key, and there you go. As you can see, temperature is very low, so it has just been started to move it out here. Gauge is all operating. The fuel gauge is at just below half, and it's just below full actual, so it's not accurate, but everything else works the way it should. Oil pressure is up there. I'm going to try and do something. Indicator lights for directionals, and lights and high beams. The high beam switch works off of the column. All the lights do work correctly. Brake lights, you'll see in the still pictures, there's 4 little lights across the back that gives you a 3rd brake light. We have overhead lights, also operate correctly. Give you a little shot of this too. So we got a new horn in there. Windows and glass are all in good shape. Actually, also the other thing is you've got a windshield wiper that works the way it should off of the switch on the column. Anyway, that's it's the 1930 Ford custom cab, extended cab. As you can see, the speaker system's back here. These seats are adjustable. They do adjustable up and down. I'm 5'8", and I've got to be able to pull the seat up for me to be able to drive it. So anyway, that's it for now, and if you have any questions, contact me and I'll be more than happy to help.